Hello everybody, we are presenting here in Amsterdam in the Medstrade exhibition the stronger electric anchor winches. We have here different type of electric anchoring solutions, starting from the smaller models, which is good for inflatable boats. We have here for salt water and for fresh water and anchoring winches, for internal installation where you need to install it inside the boat. The anchor winches. Also, we have the handmade, the not electric winch, which you can drop your anchor by hands. So, talking about step by step. So globally, we here all the anchor winches has a free dropping system. Yeah, but one of the very important feature we made one the electric anchor winch, which slowly is dropping anchor 1 meter 20 centimeters to the water, and after it falls down onto the ground. So we avoid here splashes into the water, and our fish for which we are going is not afraid of us. So also all the anchor winches can have such remote controls, with which now I am using it to bring the anchor back. I would like also to show you simple anchoring system, which is not electrical but very convenient and easy to use, which you can have as the second anchor system on your stern of the boat, or simply if you don't need electric anchoring system, you can install easily on the inflatable boats with small anchoring system on the special two items fixing regulator that we have also developed and we have in our assortment. So I will show you very fast how it's working. So actually it's very easy to use. You just simply put it and it falls freely down into the water very fast. Again, if you wanna pick your anchor up, you simply put it back and you roll very easily with one hand. If it's very deep, you can switch a hand, the anchor is not falling down, and you simply put it back. So that's shortly all about our unique and nice anchoring system.